In this video, we will review the process to force a value of an element in the TIA portal. An existing TIA portal project will be used in the example. We will start by monitoring the normal operation of the block that the force action will affect. Using HMI simulation, we can monitor the block as the system is switched on and off. For the force demonstration, we will use I0.1 or tag 4. From the project tree, expand the watch and force table listing and double-click force table. A new force table opens. Define the tag or tags to be forced. Tag 4 for this example. Select the force value text box and type in the value the tag will be forced to, true in this case. With the force table complete, all forced operands and values must be updated before any force values can take effect. Click the icon to update the values online with the PLC. To verify the forcing actions, we will split the screen to be able to utilize the force operands and monitor the block simultaneously. Note that the current system is in the off state. Click the Force Start button and confirm by clicking Yes. Note that the tag 4 has been forced, indicated by the F above the element, and the system is now in the on state without the input from an outside source. Stop the force by clicking the Force Off icon and confirm with Yes. We will now verify the normal operation by the HMI. And then force the values once again. Now with the tag 4 forced, the HMI has an effect on the block but not on the output of the system set reset flip-flop. With tag 4 forced, the system cannot be turned off. You should always execute caution when using the force feature.